Hey everyone, welcome back to Fix It Felix. Today we're diving into the ultimate guide to preventing plumbing disasters. A little prevention can save you thousands of dollars in repairs, so stick around because I'm about to share essential tips that every homeowner needs to know. And before we get started, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you love home maintenance tips that save you time and money. Let's get into it. Plumbing disasters don't just happen out of nowhere. Here are some of the most common problems and what causes them. Burst pipes, usually caused by freezing temperatures or excessive water pressure. Clogged drains, hair, grease, and soap buildup are the main culprits. Leaky faucets and pipes, often due to worn-out washers or pipe corrosion. Toilet overflows. Flushing non-degradable items like wipes, cotton balls, or paper towels. Water heater failures. Sediment buildup can reduce efficiency and lead to leaks. The good news? Most of these disasters are 100% preventable. Let's break it down step by step. Check for leaks regularly. Inspect under sinks and around appliances for any moisture or small leaks. A high water bill? That could be a hidden leak. Never pour grease down the drain. Instead, pour it into a can, let it harden, and toss it in the trash. Use drain screens. Hair and debris blockers for sinks and showers can prevent clogs. Know your water shutoff valve. In an emergency, shutting off your water quickly can prevent thousands in damages. Maintain your water heater. Drain and flush the tank once a year to remove sediment buildup. Be mindful of what you flush. Stick to the 3 P's: pee, poop, and toilet paper. Insulate your pipes in winter. Frozen pipes can burst. Wrap them in insulation foam or use heat tape in cold areas. Even with all this preventative maintenance, some plumbing issues require a professional. If you notice water discoloration, low water pressure, or a sewage smell, don't wait. Call a licensed plumber before it gets worse. And there you have it. A little maintenance goes a long way in preventing plumbing disasters. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, drop a comment with your biggest plumbing headache, and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY home maintenance tips. Thanks for watching Fix It Felix, and I'll see you in the next one.